Could the serene beauty of Yellowstone National Park be hiding an impending catastrophe? Recent geological activity has experts on high alert with hundreds of earthquakes and a rising dome-shaped uplift. What mysteries are unfolding beneath the park's surface, and could they signal a massive eruption? Welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into the alarming events shaking Yellowstone National Park. From its rich history to the latest seismic occurrences, join us as we uncover the secrets and potential dangers lurking beneath this natural wonder. Yellowstone, known for its stunning landscapes and geothermal wonders, is also home to one of the world's largest active volcanic systems, the Yellowstone caldera. This supervolcano has erupted 3 times in the past 2.1 million years, each eruption massively powerful. The park's geothermal features, like Old Faithful, are merely surface expressions of the heat and pressure building underground. In recent months, Yellowstone has experienced a significant surge in seismic activity, with hundreds of minor earthquakes and a notable uplift of the ground, especially around the Norris-Geyser Basin and Yellowstone Lake. This uplift, measured in centimeters per year, suggests magma movement beneath the surface, raising concerns about a possible eruption. But the signs of change don't end with the earthquakes and uplift. Yellowstone's wildlife is also acting strangely. Bison, elk, and other animals are exhibiting unusual migration patterns, which some scientists interpret as a natural response to environmental changes, perhaps even an early warning of volcanic activity. This mysterious behavior, coupled with the recent geological disturbances, has sparked various theories and speculations. While the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory continues to monitor the situation closely, the scientific community remains cautious. Advanced tools like seismographs, GPS stations, and satellite imagery are crucial in providing data that help scientists understand these developments. The possibility of a Yellowstone eruption is a deeply concerning scenario given the supervolcano's potential to cause catastrophic damage and disrupt the global climate. An eruption could produce pyroclastic flows, fast-moving currents of hot gas and volcanic matter that can devastate everything in their path. These flows are capable of destroying infrastructure, leveling forests, and causing fatalities over large areas. The eruption would also release vast quantities of volcanic ash into the atmosphere. This ash could spread across North America and potentially reach other parts of the world, depending on wind patterns and the scale of the eruption. Volcanic ash poses numerous hazards. It can cause respiratory problems in humans and animals, contaminate water supplies, and damage machinery, including aircraft engines. The weight of accumulated ash can collapse buildings, especially if it mixes with rain or snow, becoming more dense and heavy. Additionally, ash can disrupt transportation, agriculture, and other critical sectors of the economy. Beyond the immediate effects of pyroclastic flows and ash, a Yellowstone eruption could have long-term consequences for the global climate. The eruption would likely inject large amounts of sulfur dioxide and other volcanic gases into the stratosphere. These gases can form aerosols that reflect sunlight away from the Earth, potentially causing a temporary cooling of the planet's surface. This phenomenon, known as a volcanic winter, could lead to shorter growing seasons, reduced agricultural yields, and food shortages. The last major eruption of the Yellowstone supervolcano occurred approximately 640,000 years ago, creating the caldera that exists today. This eruption was one of the largest known volcanic events on Earth, releasing more than 1,000 cubic kilometers of material. It was preceded by other massive eruptions occurring 1.3 million and 2.1 million years ago, respectively. These eruptions have shaped the landscape and left a legacy that is still evident in the geothermal features of Yellowstone National Park. Despite the potential for another catastrophic eruption, scientists believe that such an event is not imminent. The Yellowstone volcanic system is closely monitored by the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory, a collaboration between the U.S. Geological Survey, the University of Utah, and Yellowstone National Park. The YVO employs a range of monitoring techniques, including seismographs, ground deformation measurements, and gas emissions analysis, to detect signs of volcanic activity. Current observations indicate that Yellowstone is in a state of relative calm, with no immediate signs of an impending eruption. However, the presence of a significant magma reservoir beneath the park, as revealed by geological studies, underscores the importance of ongoing vigilance. The challenge of predicting volcanic eruptions is complex. While scientists can identify potential warning signs, such as increased seismic activity, changes in ground deformation, and gas emissions, accurately forecasting the timing and magnitude of an eruption remains difficult. Volcanic systems can behave unpredictably, and the signals they produce are often ambiguous. This uncertainty means that preparedness and public awareness are critical components of managing volcanic risk. In response to the potential threat posed by Yellowstone and other large volcanic systems, emergency management agencies have developed plans to mitigate the impact of a possible eruption. These plans include strategies for evacuating affected areas, managing ashfall, and maintaining critical infrastructure. Public education efforts aim to inform communities about the hazards associated with volcanic eruptions and the steps they can take to protect themselves. The prospect of a Yellowstone eruption not only highlights the immediate risks associated with such a catastrophic event but also brings to light crucial considerations about the long-term resilience of human societies in the face of natural disasters. Although technological advancements and enhanced monitoring systems have significantly improved our ability to detect and respond to volcanic activity, the sheer scale of a supervolcanic eruption like Yellowstone would present challenges on an unprecedented level. Such an event would push the boundaries of existing emergency response capabilities, potentially overwhelming local and national infrastructure. Additionally, it would necessitate extensive international cooperation to manage the widespread impacts, including disruptions to air travel, agriculture, and climate. The recovery process would require immense resources, both financial and logistical, to rebuild affected communities and adapt to potentially long-lasting environmental changes. This scenario underscores the importance of global preparedness, robust disaster management frameworks, and collaborative efforts to enhance our resilience against such formidable natural threats. In conclusion, although the likelihood of an imminent Yellowstone eruption remains low, the potential consequences are significant enough to require constant vigilance and preparedness. The supervolcano's capacity to unleash pyroclastic flows, volcanic ash, and gases, combined with the possibility of inducing a volcanic winter, highlights the critical need for thorough monitoring and robust risk management strategies. Ongoing scientific research into Yellowstone and other volcanic systems enhances our understanding of these natural hazards. This research is essential for improving our preparedness for any future events, ensuring that we can respond effectively and mitigate potential impacts. By maintaining a proactive approach, we can safeguard communities and infrastructure, minimizing the risks associated with such powerful natural phenomena. As we continue to monitor Yellowstone's geological activity, it's clear that the park is a dynamic and potentially dangerous place. Whether you're captivated by the science or the natural beauty, Yellowstone's story is far from over. Stay informed and prepared, and join us next time as we explore more of our planet's fascinating mysteries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on Yellowstone and other natural phenomena. Stay curious and stay safe.